Welcome students, this is Varsha, CBSE Maths 10th. So this is your 8th lesson, Trigonometry exercise 8.4. So this is your 5th sum, 6th subdivision, okay. So see, root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A equal to secant A plus tan A. So we have to take the LHS to derive the RHS, okay, left hand side to right hand side. So this is what our question. So if you know the basic identities and the reciprocals, you can do the sum easily. So let's recall the identities first. So see, what are the identities? First important identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, this is the important identity. See, next one, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So these are the important three identities, okay students. So and reciprocals. So in question secant and tan is here. So we have to recall first reciprocal of sin, that is cosecant, 1 by sin A. So secant, the reciprocal of 1 by cos. So this is tan. So tan can be written sin by cos. Okay students, do you understand? So this is the reciprocal and three identities. So you are going to use the three identities in the sum. So let's go to the sum. So what is our question? LHS root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. Okay student, this is your question. See, this is root is here and in the denominator 1 minus sin A. So take your conjugate. So what is our conjugate? If you change the sign, that will be called as conjugate. So that is 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. So you are multiplying the numerator and the denominator within the square root. Okay, that is important. In the square root, you are multiplying 1 plus sin A by the numerator and the denominator. So what you get students? So this is 1 plus sin A the whole square divided by, see, this is A plus B, A minus B. Okay, so what is our A? This is A, this is B. This is A and this is B. Okay, so this is A minus B, this is A plus B. So what do you write? A square minus B square. So here you write, what is your A square? 1 square minus, place of B it is sin, so it is sin square A. Okay students, do you understand this step? Yes. So now next step, see, root of 1 plus sin A the whole square divided by 1 square minus sin square. So what is it? It can come from the first identity. So this is, see, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Okay, see, sin cos square equal to 1 minus sin square. So 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square A. See, this is cos square A. So now both are squares. Okay, the whole squares comes. So you can take root of. Okay, so what is your root? Square root will be 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. The root will go on. Okay, okay students, do you understand this step? Yes. So now cos is a denominator. It is common for 1 plus sin A. So you can write 1 plus cos A plus sin A by cos A. Okay, it is common for both the terms. So we write it separately. So now what is 1 by cos A? Cos is reciprocal is secant A. Okay, so you can write secant A plus sin by cos. What is that? Tan A. Okay, that's all. So this is our RHS. Finally we got the answer. Okay students, do you understand? Yes, if you know the identities and the reciprocals thoroughly, you can do the sum very easily. Okay, so let's again I am going to say Okay, one more time. See, the root of 1 plus sine, 1 minus sine. So take your conjugate. So what is your conjugate? If you change the sign, that is 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. So you are multiplying the numerator and the denominator. Okay. So this is 1 plus sine A whole square. 2 times is there. So you give a whole square. And divided by 1 minus sine square. Sorry, this is A minus B, A plus B. So we are using algebraic expression, that is A square minus B square. So this is 1 square minus sine square. So 1 square minus sine square is equal to cos square from the identity. See, from the identity. So if you take root, you will get 1 plus sine A by square. So the cos A, the square will gone in the numerator and the denominator. Okay students. So now this is 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. So 1 by cos A is equal to secant A and sine by cos is equal to tan A. So that is what our RH is. At last we found our answer. Okay students, do you understand? Yes, I hope you all understand. So usually I said, please see, watching the video, that is not important. Doing the sum, that is important. So after seeing the video, do the sum. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment box. Okay students, thank you.